Hello dear students, today for standard 6 English, we'll be talking about the lesson A Strange Wrestling Match from the supplementary reading book. Now, as I had told you to read the lesson, you might have read the lesson. So, you might have come across the character Vijay Singh, who was the famous wrestler, and everybody believed that he was unbeatable. That means no one could beat him in wrestling. Now, when a person becomes very famous, he becomes a bit boastful. So, same was with Vijay Singh. And in this way only he got to fight against a ghost, because his friends, when he was sitting around them, he was faced in an situation where his friends asked him to visit the haunted desert. Now, the haunted desert was a place where he could meet the ghosts, and he could hear the strange shrieks and moans at the place. So, he boasted for a while, but then he thought by himself, it was not fair to boast about the haunted desert. Now, when he went there, that place is 10 miles to the west on the road of Jaisalmer, and it's an ugly black rock that looks like the head of a camel. So there he went, and when he set out to find the ghost at the haunted desert, at that time an old woman gave him a small packet. Now what did that packet have? It was having an egg and a lump of salt. Now she was quite experienced. She might have given this for some purpose. Now we'll talk about it later on, why it was given to him. Now when he met the ghost claimed that it was his friend Natwar. So now when he set up, he had thought that he is very brave and he won't have any problem. So when he went there, it was night time, and the moon and the stars, they were shining in the sky. And when he reached the destination, he just came across that ghost, and he just asked the ghost who he was, and the ghost just introduced himself as his friend Natwar. So he just looked into his face and said that I have just come here to look at you. Then the ghost just asked him, why you have come here? So looking at him, he just said blankly that I also don't understand why I was longing to meet you, and why people told me to meet you. You are not very strong, and I think I don't know why people get fainted and they look at you in such a way. Really, you are not such a ghost or such a creature whom one should meet. So he said that you are not a good ghost, you just are a worthless ghost, and you are no worth or no better than a ghost. And he just said that he had come there to fight with the ghost. Now the ghost was very speechless, and he made certain attempts to look into the eyes of Vijay Singh in order to make him scared, but he did not. And so he said, actually you don't look like my friend Natwar, and don't try to scare me, I don't get scared. Now this is all about the first part of the story. Now the second part, the actual fight or the actual thing between the two, the ghost and Vijay Singh, we'll be discussing tomorrow. Now meanwhile, you just think about if you are in such a situation, and if you are, now this is just imagination, and science says that there are no ghosts. So we have seen certain movies, we have seen certain many things where we are shown that the ghosts exist. But here we are just to imagine that if we are in a situation where we have to face the ghost, what would be our condition. So just go through the first part and try to understand the story or understand the things that are going on between the ghost and Vijay Singh, and try to answer the questions given at the end of the text. Hope you enjoyed the first part. We'll be discussing the second part tomorrow. Have a nice day. Thank you.